Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a rear wheel on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need a 9/16" socket and a wood block or comparable support. Lift and support the side of the mower you're replacing the wheel on. Use the 9/16" socket to unthread the mounting nut securing the wheel, and slide the old wheel off. Install the new rear wheel by aligning it on the rear axle. Then thread and tighten the nut. Remove the support, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.